Hi. In this video, I'll introduce Production Tracker. Not just a Power BI visual, but a complete production tracking system in a single visual. By default, you see three sections. Shift settings at the top, a bar chart of produced quantities versus targets in the middle, and a per-machine table at the bottom, with piece counts, cycle times, and everything you need. Let's start with the shift settings. Here you choose the shift pattern your production runs. This demo uses 3 shifts. You can also define planned stops. The system subtracts them from the available time to get the open time and calculates targets and OEE against that effective time. The bar chart clearly shows produced quantities and each machine's target, broken down by area and machine. Below it, the table lists downtimes, targets, and output per machine. If you don't need the settings, collapse the Shift Settings panel with a single click. And the same for the bar chart. Collapse it, and only the machine's table remains, with much more room. Don't like the table? Switch to Card View, where every machine appears on its own tile. Click any machine, and a focused pop-up shows that machine's detailed data. The same works from the table view. Click a row, and the details pop up. Need a closer look at the chart? Click this icon and the bar chart opens at full size. There's also an OEE view. It shows overall OEE across all machines, together with its components. And you can drill into a single machine, its availability, performance, and quality. The report view builds a summary for the selected period. Everything you need for a quick analysis. Prefer a different look? Switch to the light theme with one click. I'll stick with dark though. And the visual is available in 2 languages, English and Hungarian. At the top you'll find the filters. Filter by shift, and the figures update to that shift. Filter by area or location, and only the machines that belong there remain. Filter by product, and the targets become product-specific. That's why everything just turned red. You can also filter by product category, showing just that group of products. And of course, a date filter. Pick a range, say just 2 days, and the visual shows exactly that period. That's the quick tour. Production Tracker is available on Microsoft AppSource. Link in the description. Thanks for watching.